Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today, we are going to be talking about Alchemy Pay, aka ACH. So sit back, relax, and before we fully jump on into this video, I do just want to ask guys, please leave a like on this video. It does help the channel grow immensely. And of course, I always do greatly appreciate it. And if you do find any of the information in this video valuable, useful, or interesting in any sort of way possible, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on to never miss a future update. So with all of that in mind, guys, we're getting some nice price action on Bitcoin, breaking above the 44K mark and kind of holding some strength here. Pretty good, honestly. I mean, I'm awaiting more confirmation. I want us to, have a solid break here. I honestly want to see us break above 45K. I have the chart open on the right. If we do have some time to look at it, I will definitely, talk more so about that. XRP up 11.28%, breaking over the 90-cent mark. But listen, we're seeing a ton of altcoin movement. Let's talk about ACH, because I haven't talked about Alchemy Pay in a very long time. Last time I talked about it, I want to say it was when Binance listed it. But nonetheless, don't know if this is the true price right now, because I know on like Coinbase Pro it's like extremely different, but I guess this is it. So trading volume is up 108.74%, up 25.22% on the 24-hour span. This is actually looking pretty good in terms of the holders tab. I know that I have been keeping a close eye out on this. In the last month, we have been seeing some nice accumulation in terms of the total addresses. Even on the 3-month span, this is going from like 10,500 holders to all the way to 12,735. It's crazy. So overall, we are seeing some nice overall movement within the statistics on this asset. But I do want to talk to you guys about the price chart later. But first off, I want to talk to you guys about some exciting things that are happening behind the scenes for Alchemy Pay, but also some exciting things to look forward to this year alone as well. So let's actually jump into that and let's talk about Alchemy Pay. So first and foremost, 2021 was a year of development and growth that yielded incredible results by quarter 3 and quarter 4. Huge thanks to the whole team and our global ACH community. 100% 2021 was huge for Alchemy Pay. We've seen a lot of listings happen. First off, we're already listed on Binance, Coinbase, Huobi, Gate.io. I mean, honestly, there is so many incredible listings already for Alchemy Pay. We'll most likely see more happening. I actually do want to talk to you guys about a few that happened already. More so talking about a few that are pretty good exchanges overall, and then also like a few that are like kind of small. So let's dive in and let's talk about this. So one, I just want to say right now, full transparency, no, I am not paid to talk about Alchemy Pay. I am talking about Alchemy Pay because I do believe that this has some incredible growth left in it. But of course, we do see, our unique hybrid fiat crypto payment network has continued to increase crypto acceptance for real-world payments and is now supported in over 70 countries across the globe. They were talking more so about the beginning of the year. They did some incredible things with DAO Maker. They also did a $500,000 payment ecosystem incentive fund. They also did a partnership with InstPower to enable crypto payments across a global network of power bank sharing, stations. They were doing some great things. Honestly, more so all you have to do is pay attention to this. Like, this was their quarter 3 ecosystem. I mean, it was growing every single day. It was incredible. We're still seeing this, honestly. We're still seeing some great growth. We know that they have, they launched their virtual crypto-linked MasterCard and Visa cards as well. They began their first steps of a partnership with Mexi Global. Even Kobo signed a strategic cooperation with us to integrate fiat crypto payment and financial services, Binance Pay as well, Shopify. The list goes on and on. Honestly, if we've seen this in the year of 2021, I am just very excited for this year as well, because they had so many token integrations, so many updates. Of course, don't forget the Polygon Alchemy Pay integration, because that's actually a fairly big one. And of course, I did talk to you guys a little bit about the Algorand one, which was in 2022. This was January. So, again, I don't see this slowing down at all. I still see Alchemy Pay doing incredible things this year. And yeah, let's move on. Let's talk about some other exciting stuff. So first off, we do see here this report highlights the huge market growth to come for crypto payments. The Cointelegraph analysts have put ACH firmly at the heart of it. Great news. And of course, This article is talking about, evaluating a crypto payment token. This is talking about Alchemy Pay as well, because we do see some valuation results for Alchemy Pay, non-discounted utility price predictions. So, looking into all the variables and addressable markets, we have come up with a utility price estimate for the ACH token. It is worth noting that the estimate is done on a non-discounted basis and with moderate market penetration assumptions. Now, the funny thing about this is, honestly, I think that these price predictions and timelines are a little bit too conservative. Like, in my opinion, right, they're saying by 2024, 92 cents. I honestly think that this is extremely conservative, but look at that $9.58 price prediction by 2030. I actually think that we hit that sooner than later. We're talking about a $38.3 billion market cap, which is technically not that crazy. I know that it is now, because when we're talking about like the top, 7, for an example, it'll put it in the top 7. Currently, at current market cap, situations, we got to remember that crypto is going to continue to skyrocket in value. By 2025, I could honestly see Alchemy Pay at this dollar evaluation, $9.58, 164x. Even if we're talking about like getting into, I didn't mean to click that, sorry, getting into the top 25, right? We know by the top 25, it would have a price of around $1.71, $6.8 billion market cap. In fact, they're saying by 2024, 92 cents. So let me actually just throw up the chart real quick. So I actually have been talking to a few people within the Discord that I run, as well as, listen, I've been holding Alchemy Pay for a very long time. I did not get in early. I did not get in back here. I was accumulating during this point here, and I even accumulated a little bit here as well. I mean, listen, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I did buy a little bit high at some points in time, but I feel confident even in those buys as well. I'm expecting this to do a 50 cent to $1 range run. Now, 50 cents would put it just under the 2618. 52 cents would be the 2618, and then $1 range would be above the 4618. So $1 might be a little bit of a stretch. We know that the top tier fib extension puts us at almost $1.60. I'm just saying, we could easily have a massive run on our hands with Alchemy Pay. It's on major exchanges, and once this does start to run, I do believe that FOMO will begin. I think that we are extremely early in terms of what Alchemy Pay will essentially become, but we have been seeing so much happening behind the scenes for Alchemy Pay. Specifically, we've been also seeing, incentives being released for holders as well. For an example, Binance Staking launches Alchemy Pay. This happened today. In fact, staking with up to 200% APY. And of course, a lot of this is getting sold out. So those who, are utilizing just Binance, this is not currently on Binance US, but those who are utilizing Binance, and maybe you hold Alchemy Pay on Binance, definitely look into staking it. I mean, you could earn some incredible APY on this. And it's very easy to stake as well. If you guys are on Binance, go to Earn, Staking, Alchemy Pay, or ACH, choose duration and amount, and stake. I mean, this is pretty straightforward. It's very easy. You just go to Trade, Staking, you choose Alchemy Pay, stake now. You could do 10, 30, 60, even 90 days. You just hit stake now, and you put your amount in. Which, again, I think that the 90-day just got sold out on Alchemy Pay, so obviously this has a massive demand behind it. And also, we are still seeing exchange listings, xt.com, which is also a fairly large exchange, 116,000 followers. Don't know where they are on the exchange listings. Let me actually see where they are. So xt.com is actually at number 40. I know that might not seem like a lot for a lot of individuals, but it's probably because we have Binance, Coinbase, Huobi, and Gate.io and stuff already listing us. It's crazy. But I think that we still need a lot more volume for us to really start to go, crazy. Also, I want you guys to understand that WazerX, they actually just listed us as well. The trading is live on WazerX. You can now buy, sell, trade ACH. Again, a ton of mass listings are happening, even Simple Hold, which is a smaller tier, exchange. They have like 14.5K followers. But again, it got listed on there as well. WazerX, they're actually a fairly large exchange, 559.5K followers. More so, don't look at the rating or like the number. Look at how much money they have in terms of volume and weekly visits. Like this one has 2.6 million weekly visits. XT.com has 627,000. Again, almost $1 billion in volume. So a lot of these exchanges do add up, especially, but we already have Binance and Coinbase. So those two alone put us almost at $20 billion in volume, and also at like 38 million weekly visits. It's absolutely crazy. But yeah, I mean, I really do think that, the future for Alchemy Pay is very bright. That's why when I do look at those fib extensions, I really do believe that we could hit $52. I meant 50 cents, by the way. But in general, 50 cents would put us at about $2 billion in market valuation, which I think is very conservative. I mind you, at $1, we're at $4 billion in market cap. I mean, guys, this barely scratches the surface in terms of the list. I mean, like, this will put us at around, for a dollar, $4 billion in market cap valuation, would put us roughly right around 42. It would be like Tezos market cap, which again, I think is bare minimum. I think that when we're talking about the prices, I just see Alchemy Pay doing so good because of, one, the partnerships that it already has, the integrations that it has. I think that there's so much FOMO factors behind Alchemy Pay. Yes, we do need a lot more, volume, but look at the volume flowing in already. I mean, this is the most amount of volume that we've seen since the Binance listing, and also since around November of 2021. And by the way, at this time, we were at about like 10.5 cents. So I think that this move is, supported by, of course, volume. I think that we definitely need a lot more volume. And we are seeing a little bit of diminished volume here right now. RSI is almost into the overbought area, but I believe that we could have a lot more price movement here shortly, as soon as, of course, more volume picks up. I think that we just need a little bit more, but also it's the market sentiment right now, because we also have to be watching Bitcoin closely and prepare for anything that does happen. I'm still expecting this drop in Bitcoin. I think that we're doing a similar thing that we did back in September. Of course, this is not, guaranteed. I'm just saying I'm preparing for a drop on Bitcoin. We don't know when it's going to happen. We don't know if it's going to happen. We just have to prepare for anything. I think that right now the pattern is very, very similar to, of course, September. So I'm expecting anything. I'm preparing for anything as well. But with all of that in mind, if we do get this drop in price, it's about a 13% drop on Bitcoin. We could be seeing these, figures down here yet again, which would be about 3 cents. So I am watching Alchemy Pay closely. If we do get these buy zones down here targeted yet again, I'm going to buy more Alchemy Pay. At this current moment in time, we're trying to regain these, the structure that we were at back in September, even back in December. We just need a lot more price appreciation here. I want to see us back over 10 cents yet again. If we could break above 12 cents, that will put us in a nice structure view. So again, I'm awaiting this. I'm awaiting confirmation on Bitcoin and throughout this entire market. But with that being said, I hope that kind of gives you guys an insight. And with all of that in mind, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys want more free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. As always, I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are. And this has been Nick. Peace out, guys.